So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the volume on MSI Cyborg 15. And that can be done in two different methods. Let's begin with the first one, which is simply clicking on this Control Center button, which is on the left side of the clock on taskbar, and you'll see the volume adjustment bar. You can adjust it very simply, and you'll also hear a preview of the loudness once you adjust it. Then you can also do it with the keyboard. On the keyboard, you'll notice a few keys. I'm just gonna get the last of that. You can see them right here, F1, F2 and F3 at the top. And clicking on them, first click on them once to see if it actually does anything. If it didn't, then it means that you have escape lock, the FN lock disabled. And in order to use them, you'll actually need to press on two keys at once. The FN key, which is right here, and the F1, F2 or F3 to adjust the volume. This one mutes, the F1 mutes, F2 turns volume down, and F3. So either do that combination, or you can also enable FN lock. To do it, click on FN key, which I've just shown you, combined with escape. Now escape will light up, and clicking on these F keys alone will result in changing the volume. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.